Hello, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of deleting your Shazam account directly from your Android phone. Whether you no longer use the app or want to remove your data, follow these easy steps to permanently delete your Shazam account. First, open the Shazam app on your Android device. Once the app opens, tap on the library icon located at the top left corner. Inside the library section, tap the settings icon. After that, scroll down until you find the About section. Tap on it. Now tap on Delete Account. You will be asked to sign in to confirm your identity. Finally, scroll down and click on Delete Your Account to complete the process. Thank you for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you delete your Shazam account easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.